Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to create Amazon PPC campaign for sponsored product for manual keywords campaigns. So, so you need to log into Amazon account and then you come to click onto the campaign manager, and then you will be here. Click on sponsor product, create campaign. So let's talk about about sponsor product campaign. We discussed in the last video as well. Our sponsor product has several targeting types. One is automatic targeting, which has close match, substitute, and complements. This is best for keyword discovery, new product launches as well. It helps you find converting search terms, and is product targeting is as well. Okay, in the main campaigns that we are going to learn in this, that is manual targeting campaign, how we can create this. Uh, you choose in manual targeting, you choose exactly what to target. Like keyword targeting, target customer when search, target customer search term. So in manual targeting, there are three match types: broad match, exact match, and phrase match. In broad match shows for related searches and variations. Phrase match search must contain your keyword phrase in order. Exact match shows only for searches closely matching your product. Let's take an example. For example, broad match type. Fast running belts. Example search is belt for jogging. Phrase waterproof running belt. Let's say if I am running a campaign on waterproof, running on a campaign on a running belt. So if I am targeting a keyword best, let me show you an example. Let's say I am running a campaign. I want to run a campaign on a keyword running belt, and I went go and I top into the Amazon and I search for Amazon best running belts. So my ads will appear for this keyword in terms of broad for when I will be targeting the broads. Best running belts for men, best running belts for men, best running belts that fit the iPhone 6, 17. So for these terms, best pregnancy running belt for these phrase terms, for broad terms, my ads will appear. So this is the way. And similarly, if I am running for, let's talk about like phrase match type. If I'm running campaign on a running belt, then if I have a keyword waterproof running belt. In the same way, we can use even the same keyword. If I'm running on the running belt, my keywords will ads will appear on, if a customer search for best running belts for women, my ads will appear because this is for phrase. And running, no, sorry, for this one will not appear. This will work only for the broad. For the phrase, it's compulsory that any such any words appear before that word and after that words. But in this case, it will be used for only broad. So waterproof running belt. So I am targeting waterproof running belt in phrase match. So my ad will appear for this keyword: waterproof running belt for phone, waterproof running belt bag, waterproof running belt woman, waterproof running belt, because the exact waterproof running belt keyword is coming before the first, and then it has a woman. Then it's showing for a woman. Then that it's completing the phrase. That's why it will appear for this keyword. And in case if I am when I am targeting the exact match type, if I am going to targeting the running belt, my ad will only appear for the running belt keyword, not for any of the other keyword. So that's the difference between these match type. And also there is also product targeting, like in which instead of keywords you can target product and categories as well, individual essence, categories, brand as well. So let's uh, create a campaign for this keyword. Okay, you need to click on create campaign and it will take to the campaign creation interface. So this is ad group. Here you can set the ad group. So I have already prepared the PPC structure for this product, hair towel. So I have the nomenclature here. Uh, I have the so I which I can choose as a name. Let's say I want to start a campaign for keyword hair towel. So I want to start for exact keywords. So I will take this one. Okay, I will take this, but I will choose this. Okay, so instead of product, I will use here EX, which represent the exact contracting. So sponsored product for hair targeting, I will be using the this is hair towel. You can add the product, uh, and this will now will be manual targeting. So in manual targeting, you can choose keywords and products as discussed earlier. So in keyword targeting, there is two keyword targeting and product targeting. In keyword targeting, as I mentioned earlier, in keyword targeting, you have broad, exact, and phrase match type. In product targeting, you can add target specific products, categories, and brand and other product features to target your ad. So we are going to use in this keyword targeting only. So in keyword targeting, we can this we can I need to use exact. So I will uncheck this and I will keep only the exact. So my keyword here will be the hair towel. So I will choose the hair towel keyword, add keyword. So here it comes automatically here. It will show the keywords related to your product category, but I am going to remove this. I will be charging only hair towel. I'm getting the exact campaign for keyword targeting. So if I have any inactive keywords, I will add here. So if you have any inactive keywords for which you do not want your products to appear on those keywords, you can add. Same way for the products, you can add as well. And products as well, you can exclude product, you can exclude brand as well on which you do not want your ads to appear. Campaign bidding strategy, up and down, dynamic down only, fixed bids, uh, in Dynamics, if you will be using Dynamics up and down, Amazon will charge you 100% more than your actual bid. So not Amazon up to that amount Amazon can charge you, not that exact amount. Uh, so down only in Amazon down only if you are setting up your bid as $1, Amazon we can lower your bids in real time. And fixed bid, if you are going to use fixed bid, Amazon will choose the exact bid and any manual adjustment you set. So, and will not change your bid based on likelihood of a sales. So in this campaign, I will be using only dynamics down only. I mostly use dynamic down only for my PPC campaigns. And this is next is the placement. Amazon has three placements, top of search, rest of search, and product pages. If you want to add any percentage of bids for these placements, you can add. Uh, but it's not recommended initially. You can go with beads and later on look at your results, campaign performance, and if you are seeing that the product is converting more better at the top of search pages, you can increase the top of search placements later on as well. So here campaign name again I am can enter here. So you can set the budget $10-15 to start, and later on if based on your performance you can increase it as well. So in the US, if you have want to talk like increase bids for high traffic days, I'm going to keep it. Uh, Rule name, prime day schedule build rule. Okay, I don't need that for now. So it's already passed. So that's how I will create keyword targeting manual campaign for exact match. So that is the only difference. If I wanted to create a campaign for phrase broad match, I will just has to choose that keyword and uncheck this one, and it will be launched for phrase match type. So in the same way, if I need to launch the same keyword in broad, I will choose this and uncheck this. You can change the campaign name as well. From here in the X, you can choose broad for broad type, and for phrase you can choose F as well. Change it so you can keep as a nomenclature. You can define your campaign manager later on. So that's how you can create keyword targeting campaign for broad phrase and exact match type campaign separately. So I just need to hit launch campaign and it will be start. So I'm not going to hit to do because I have already campaign launched. So let me know if you have any question in the comments.